Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make split pea soup Caribbean style, updated. Start by sorting and rinsing 2 cups of split peas, then chop 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Sauté aromatics in oil, add split peas, broth, coconut milk, thyme, and Scotch bonnet. Simmer until peas break down and soup thickens. Finish with lime juice, adjust salt, and serve hot with crusty bread or rice for a satisfying meal. Begin by sweating the onion and garlic until soft and fragrant to build a flavorful base. Add the split peas and enough broth to cover them by 1 to 2 inches, then bring to a gentle simmer. Cook uncovered, skimming foam, and stir occasionally to prevent sticking. When peas are tender, mash or blend partly for desired consistency. Finish with coconut milk and lime for balance, tasting and seasoning as you go for a warm bowl. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is a handy companion while cooking. It keeps your drink cold, fits cup holders, and has a flip lid you can use hands-free. I find it perfect for sipping between stirring and tasting. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors by toasting spices briefly, then adding aromatics and legumes for depth. Coconut milk should be stirred in near the end so it stays creamy and bright, not oily. For controlled heat, simmer the whole Scotch bonnet and remove it before serving. This gives heat without overpowering. Finish with fresh lime juice and chopped scallions for brightness. Taste and adjust salt, then serve with rice or toasted bread for a satisfying Caribbean bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.